met someone at a party, and they asked me who I've loved. I laughed and said it's complicated, but your name still rose above. I told them about our first date, how you laughed when I got lost, how your eyes lit up at sunsets, like you knew what they cost. They nodded, smiled politely, but I could tell they knew that I was still halfway in a place I once called you. It's not fair to them, I know, but your ghost stays in my chest, and every getting to know you feels like a loyalty test. I keep talking to strangers about you, like I'm still living in your arms, like every new hello can't compete with what we are. I'm missing you in stories that should have faded by now, but your memory still lingers, and everywhere, when and how. Yeah, I keep talking to strangers about you. They ask why it ended, I say it's just life, I guess, but the truth is we unraveled under weight we couldn't confess. Now I try to move forward, but my heart won't agree. It keeps dragging your name into every new maybe. I know I should stop giving you this space, but you were more than love, you were my place. So I keep talking to strangers about you, in cafes, bars, and trains, like if I speak you enough, it'll numb the pain. They smile, nod, and listen, but they're not what I pursue. Cause I'm not searching for love, I'm just missing you. Maybe one day I'll forget, and your name won't taste like hate, but right now even new eyes can't undo the heartbreak. So if you ever wonder